Okay, what is up, guys? Welcome back. It's been a while since I did a video. I'm in here in San Diego. It is Friday, March 27th, I believe. 5:43 California, San Diego time. I've been in San Diego for a while, so I haven't been doing videos. Finally got a laptop, so I'm gonna be doing some more videos for you guys. Yeah, the Dow is down 915 points, Nasdaq down 295, S&P 500 down 88, and most of the markets really been kind of following it today. Some of the big ones that I've been trading over the week, for one is Boeing. Boeing for with this, trading earlier this month at 350, just about dropped all the way down, 73% down, all the way down to 89, which ended up being the bottom. And if you would have bought at the bottom, you could have looked at a 100% gain. I didn't quite sell at 100% gain, but I sold in the morning today for a pretty good gain. So what we're looking at is Boeing's been coming out and been saying that it's probably going to take a year, maybe two, to fully reach this area. And you got to think well, let's see, we've came way up, right, within the last 5 days, right, since Monday. We've come way up, almost 50%, right? If you 150, 300. Almost 50%. So you got to think, we're not going to, in 2 weeks, 4 weeks, a month, we're not going to make it back up here. So the most likely scenario is we're going to do a pullback. As you can see, we're doing a pullback on Friday. We'll see what happens Monday. I think most likely scenario, we're going to do a little bit of a pullback. We're probably going to make we're probably going to go in an equilibrium pattern with a higher low from 89.38 is I think the most likely scenario, because like I say, if we just keep going up like we've been going, it's just going to be too fast. So that's what I'm looking at as far as playing on Monday. If we zoom in, we can see 155 really did a double bottom the last 3 days. So third day, it closed at 155 and then opened. We saw it all the way back down to 155 as a double bottom. So you could say on Monday, if we get close again to this 155, you could buy that, anticipating the bounce off the 155 again. That's probably what I'd be looking at as of now, the chart. I'd probably be looking at this double bottom 155 for a buy-in opportunity. So that's what I'm kind of looking at. If we do break below, then just kind of wait and see, find the bottom. Really, a good way to find the bottom is on this RSI. When we get close to this 30, you can see here we got close to that 30. Again, we got close to this 30 here. Let's go to zoom into the 5 minute. So again, when we hit that 30, below that 30, like we did here, right, you can see some big opportunities. So it's 5% gain. And if you would have held all the way to here, you're looking at about an 8% gain. So definitely can get some quick profits there, especially here when you hit this 30 right here. If you would have kept that, you're looking at almost a 20% gain. So definitely on Boeing, that's kind of how I would play it. Looking at Tesla, kind of similar situation playing out. We had this huge run, and then a bounce, and then a run down, and then a bounce. But overall, it's been a lower, a low, a high, a lower high. It's been a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So I'm thinking we could be seeing the same thing happening on Boeing. But yeah, as far as Tesla, huge run up, and then we came pretty much almost all the way down again. So same thing can happen to Boeing and all this. So just wait and see. And then on Tesla, be looking at the hourly. So the last couple of days, you can see we've had pretty good uptrend. So it'll be interesting to see what happens on Monday with Tesla. I'm going to be watching. But yeah, we have support. Basically, a breakout would be above 560 is what to look for. And then you have basically support down here at 472 on Tesla. Another one that was a big runner today was Tops. Check this out. This thing was way up here at one point and back in time. How much money is that? I don't even know. How much is that? It's a crazy amount, right? High, crazy high, right? I don't even. You know what's happening there. But look at this. We went, and this is the daily. So I'm gonna go and zoom in here. Let's go to the hourly. You can see we're all the way down at 7 cents today. This morning ran all the way up. Crazy percent gain. You can see like 260% gain all the way up. I ended up missing this one, but what I'd be looking for is these highs. So you have a high, a low, and then we created a higher high, a higher low, higher high, kind of a stair climber look. So how I would have played this if I was seeing pretty much this playing out. What I would see is, okay, well, breakout. It ended up being a fake out or a double top, just momentarily went above it, came right back down. So, I mean, that was a breakout, a fake out. But what you're really looking for is when it broke out above 18 cents here. And then it stayed up there. And we saw this thing really just consolidate. That confirmed the breakout. And then when it confirmed the breakout, we saw a lot of buys coming in here. And that right there, you're looking at about 44% gain. So that's what you're looking for. That's the ideal trade situation happening. And then when we came down, and actually did like a bounce, right? Because we came down, bounced off of this pretty much perfect support from the breakout. Breakout here, bounced exactly off of it. If you would have got in there, let's say you missed the first one, you could, again, if you captured all of it, you could be looking at another 42% gain. So that's really how I like to day trade. I look at scenarios just like that playing out. Breakouts, support, dip buys, playing out. So yeah, and that's kind of what I'm going to be looking at Monday for you guys. But the real thing is I'm trying to teach you guys exactly what to look for on your own, so you guys can go out and make these day trades and profit on your own. So those are the big ones for me today and going into Monday that I'll be looking for. But I hope you guys are making money out there, and I'll see you guys Monday.